today. It's 2024 and the organic skincare and hair care industry is booming. If you've ever dreamed of creating your own line of luxurious, all-natural beauty products, now's the time. At Learn Canyon, we're thrilled to present our Diploma in Organic Skincare and Hair Care Formulation course, your gateway to becoming a certified expert in this booming industry. Our comprehensive course blends science and creativity for both beginners and seasoned formulators. Here's what you get. Master organic ingredients and create effective, innovative organic products. Learn from 6 top-notch mentors passionate about organic formulations. Gain practical experience through interactive practical modules and lab exercises. Join over 5,000 students and exchange ideas and grow together. Open doors to exciting careers, whether starting your own brand or joining established companies. Don't miss this golden opportunity to be part of the organic beauty revolution. Enroll in our Diploma in Organic Skincare and Hair Care Formulation course today and start your journey towards a fulfilling creative career. Join us at Learn Canyon and start your own career. Enroll now, click the link below.